As a business owner, you might be in a situation where for a particular month or a particular duration, you may not have anyone on payroll including you. Still, as a compliance, you need to report this to CRA in form of nil report. In today's video, I'll show you step by step on how to file a nil report. And in case you have any comments, please use the comment section. In case you have not subscribed to my channel, please do that, as I keep bringing such informative videos, and I will be organizing everything on my website so that you don't have to go and find this information, which you can do it yourself. So stay tuned and let's get to the computer screen. We are on Canada Revenue Agency website, and you see this link. Once I click here, we are taken to this page, and here you see this one is individual account and this is the my business account for business partners, directors and officers of non-profit organizations. So this is where I click, and then coming to this page, let me come down. Option 2, using CRA user ID and password. If you don't have a CRA online account, you can go and register. The process is very simple. You just go and give a user ID, password, then there are multiple questions to which you create answer and you register your phone number. You get the one-time password to that phone number. Since I already have created, I will click here, and on this page, this is the sign in page. Enter the username and password, then click sign in. You come to this additional security feature preference, where you have to give answer to the question which you had created. One of the question will pop up to which you have to give answer. Once that is done and you click next, you come to this page, and let me come down. Here you click next, and on this page, the phone number what you have registered, to that you will get the one-time passcode sent either by text, call me. These are the two options. I select text me. Once I enter the one-time passcode and click next, so now I come to my business account page, and here on the left section, navigation section, you see payroll. I have already created a payroll account, and so I will be going in there. If you have not created a payroll account, it's very simple process. You can just call up CRA on the helpline. They will help you with the setup. They will ask series of questions, and that way you will not go wrong. And you can also go and do this online. So in my case, it's already set up. All I need to do is to do a nil report. I will click on payroll. If you have watched my business number video, I said for the payroll, the representation is with RP. So that gets seen here. Once I click here, this is the payroll page. You will be able to see your page. Let me come down. So this is the entire payroll section with respective links. If you want to file, request or register, if you want to view anything, and there are download reports, transfer of misallocated payment. So in today's video, since we are going to do nil remittance, I click here, and on this page, no employees subjected to deduction or business temporarily discontinued. This comes by default. So all I do is I will declare the month when the payroll is nil. So I will select the month. Say I have selected August 1st to 31st August. I click next, and once on this page, I just review everything and click I confirm. Let me come down and then click on submit. So once the submission is done, I get a confirmation number, what date I have submitted, the reason, from to, all those things I can see. And let me come down. Thank you for submitting your payroll remittance information to us. So that's it. That's simple. to file a nil report. Okay friends, you saw how simple that was. I hope you found today's video informative. Do comment, like, share, and in case you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Canada Tried and Tested. Thanks for watching.